In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move shapes to layers in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. Layers help you organize complex diagrams by grouping related shapes, connectors, and text so you can show, hide, or lock them independently. This is especially useful when you're collaborating or presenting different views of the same diagram. Start in Confluence by opening a page where you can edit a Draw.io diagram. If you're working in Jira, the process is the same once you're inside the Draw.io editor. With your diagram open, the first thing we need is the Layers panel. Go to the top menu, choose View, then select Layers. This opens a panel that lists all your layers and gives you controls like visibility and locking. If you don't see it right away, it might be docked to the side of your canvas. Next, select the items you want to move. Click and drag a selection box around the shapes, connectors, and text you want to include. You can also hold Shift and click to add or remove individual items from your selection. Take a second to make sure connectors are included if they belong with the shapes you're moving. A quick tip, if everything on the canvas needs to go, use the standard Select All shortcut for your system before moving on. With your selection ready, look to the Layers panel for the Move Selection to icon. It looks like a small box with a vertical arrow pointing into it. Click that icon to open a list of your existing layers. This is where you choose the destination. If you've already planned your layers, simply click the one that should contain the selected items. Make sure you choose a layer that matches the purpose of those shapes, like annotations, data flow, or UI elements, so you can manage them more easily later. After you pick the destination layer, your selection is moved immediately. To confirm the move, check the layer list in the Layers panel. You should see the selection indicators or counts update under the layer you chose. For a quick visual confirmation, toggle the visibility of that layer on and off. The shapes you moved should appear and disappear with it. Locking the layer is another handy way to verify. If the items no longer select when you click on the canvas, they're now controlled by that layer. That's it. Open the Layers panel, select your shapes, use Move Selection 2, choose the target layer, and confirm. If you make a mistake, the undo command will reverse the move. When you're satisfied, save your diagram so your layer organization persists for everyone who views or edits it.